The colorful and professional ebook cover will make your new ebook stand out from the competition in the Amazon Kindle ebook store. When your ebooks stand out, you sell more ebooks. If you sell more ebooks, you'll be happy. So if you want to be happy, don't be stingy with a good ebook cover. Even if your design skills are nil, you can hire a professional designer on Fiverr to give you an ebook cover for as little as $5, quickly increasing your sales. Fiverr.com is a very popular micro-work site. Offers performances that include a range of services: writing, commenting, advertising, video, sending Twitter announcements, but the most important thing for you is to hire skilled qualified art designers, have their masters in creating beautiful ebook covers. All performances are only $5. This is a bargain. People sell their services on Fiverr or give shows. Briefly explain how they pay the standard $5 fee. Most people use less than 50 words to explain their offer. They will state what will do, how quickly they will complete it, and most will add phrases such as changes will be made to make you happy. Some people have accumulated enough positive reviews and Fiverr allows them to post relevant shows. These are add-ons or other related services they can provide you, sometimes for as little as $10 or $20. If you've ever been frustrated with graphic designers who think you're wrong and they're always right, then you'll be grateful to hire one of these designers. Create a free account on Fiverr.com, type ebook cover in the search box at the top of the page, sort the results by score. This will give you a list of highly recommended graphic artists. The excellent ones will highlight their previous work for your review. Read through the comments. Stay away from people who have a lot of negative comments. It's not a bad idea to try someone just starting out. You'll help other internet marketers gain a foothold and build their investment portfolio. If the project doesn't meet your expectations, you're only risking $5. However, I bet you'll be pleased. Choose the show you like. You can send an email stating what they can't or can't do. Once you are sure you have found a suitable match, you can buy the show. You will be redirected to the PayPal payment page to send your $5 payment directly to Fiverr. They keep it in a bill, and when the show is done, the graphic artist gets $4. Fiverr kept the $1 deal. Many good graphic artists will ask you to provide the following information. What message do you want to convey? Who is the target market? Want to include images or just typesetting text on the cover? You can send your own rough layout. I suggest letting their imaginations take over. You can always ask for subtle changes. Center this and change its color, although I don't recommend making major changes to the wording or switching from simple fonts to full graphic design at this point. The ebook cover image is usually posted to the conversation page of your Fiverr account the same day for easy access and download, then upload to the website that sells your ebook. Please note that Fiverr actively prevents direct communication between buyers and sellers, possibly to prevent them from bypassing the Fiverr system. The account may be closed for violation of the website terms. Time is money. Spending 10 minutes on Fiverr to find and hire professional graphic designers for $5 is a great way to keep you more at the same time. So friends, how did you like today's video? Do tell us by commenting. And if you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.